Welcome back to the Kashyap Tech IT Brothers. So this is the part 30 of SSIS tutorial, and in this we will going to see bulk insert task in SSIS. So basically, bulk insert task is used to use the bulk insert to transfer the data from other database management system. You must export the data from the source to a text file and then import the data from the text file into a SQL Server table or view. The destination must be a table or view in a SQL database. Okay, so the bulk insert task provide an efficient way to copy large amount of data into a SQL Server table or a view. The bulk insert task can transfer data only from a text file into SQL Server table or view. The destination must be a table or view in a SQL Server database. So this is the mandatory, or this is the like a must. The destination will be the table or view. Okay, so let's do the practical and see how it's work. So first of all, create one SSIS package. Okay, so rename it as a meaningful name, that is the part 30. Okay, now you can see the bulk task insert in your control flow section. In toolbox, in a common section you will find bulk task. You can see the load the data from a file directly into a SQL Server database table. Data cannot be transferred while is being inserted into the database. Okay, so let's configure it first. See what is this, like functions and all. It's a description, name. In a connection you can see we have a connection, destination, table, format, row delimiter, like column delimiter, the file, like whatever is there in text file, then how data is contained, like types of data, like it's having in a row, comma, delimiters or semicolon, etc. And that is the source. Let's connect it. So my connection, this is the local database, and my destination will be dest unit measures, and my source file will be that is unit measure. You can see the unit measure contains some data, that is the header, and we have a data like a box, btlc, and we have a delimiter, like a, sorry, not a delimiter, that is the tab, and we don't have a comma, something like that. So definitely in this case we will set only tab for column delimiter type. Okay, we have a different type of comma, semicolon, lf, something vertical bar. Okay, yeah, that's it's configured. Now go to the option. In an option you can see code page, that is the raw data. If you have a Roman, Japanese, is there different code page are theirs. Okay, and data file type, it's a character. You can see the native, right now it's a character. Batch size, like if you have a millions of a data in a source, that is the file, and if you wanted to insert the data. Yep, so batch size, so you can mention the 1000, 2000, or if you have millions of data, then we can specify the 50,000 data need to be insert in a batch wise. And you can define the last row and the first row. First row is, it means like right now we have a like in our source we have first row contain the data header. Okay, after that we have a records. So I'll select, that is number 2 here, and in an option you have a check constant, like keep nulls. If you wanted to keep the nulls, then you can check the box, enable the identity insert, table block, file integer. Right now I don't want to do anything, then I will uncheck all the things and click OK. Now that is configured perfectly. Okay, now you can see in a database I don't have a records in my dest unit measure table. Let's run the bulk insert and see how many records will get inserted. Yeah, so it's run successfully. Now check the destination table. Yeah, we got the 38 rows from the our text file, that is the unit measure. Okay, so basically the bulk insert is used to transfer the data in a bulk data from the source text file to the destination, that is the table or view. Okay, if you have any doubt or anything feedback, then you can comment it to the in a video, and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.